So how to deposit Exness with your Binance account? Log into your Exness account, then you can see the deposit option. Deposit, press on deposit, and once you press on deposit, then you can see the Binance Pay option. So you have to press on Binance Pay. Now enter your amount. For example, I want to deposit $40. Then press on continue and press on continue. Then you can see this kind of interface. Now go back to your Binance, open your Binance and press on your balance and make sure your balance is in funding. You can see my funding. So if you don't have, just press on transfer, then you can transfer your dollar to spot to funding. Then press on pay. Now top right corner you can see this icon, press on this icon, then scan this code. Once you scan this code, then you can see the confirmation. Press on confirm and verify your account, and it's done. Payment is complete. Now let's go back to my account. Let's see deposit is complete or not. View history, then you can see deposit is complete. If you go back to my account, then you can see the $40